Upgrading your workstation's memory can feel like giving it a new lease on life. And that's exactly what ATEC aims to deliver with their 32GB DDR4 ECC UDIM kit. Designed specifically for a range of Dell precision workstations, including the 3430 SFF, 3620, or 3930, and several T3000 and T5000 series models. This kit promises a performance boost that's both reliable and easy to implement. This kit consists of two 16GB modules, operating at a speed of 2,666 MHz, PC4-21300. The fact that it's ECC unbuffered memory is a significant advantage for workstations. ECC, or error-correcting code, memory is designed to detect and correct common types of internal data corruption, which is especially crucial for tasks that demand high stability, like video editing, 3D rendering, and scientific computing. The modules are built to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a voltage of 1.2 V. This is the standard voltage for DDR4 memory, ensuring compatibility and energy efficiency. The 2RX8 configuration refers to the memory's rank and organization, which can influence performance depending on the system's memory controller. ATEC emphasizes the ease of installation, suggesting that it can be done at home without requiring specialized expertise. While this is generally true for RAM upgrades, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on seating and channel configurations to maximize performance. ATEC backs their memory modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks to their confidence in the product's reliability. They also offer tech support, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. In essence, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 ECC UDIM kit is a solid choice for users looking to expand the memory capacity of their compatible Dell precision workstations. The ECC functionality, combined with the ease of installation and ATEC's warranty, makes it a worthwhile upgrade for professionals who rely on their workstations for demanding tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.